So very nice reversal in the stock market today. We're going to be looking at that right now. We're also going to be looking at gold as well too, guys. We'll see what's a bit of an update on gold as well too. But here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So let's actually get straight into the markets today. Traders, I am running a webinar today. So if you're interested in learning how I trade the markets, join the webinar. Also on that webinar, I'm giving a massive sale to my coaching program. So if you're interested in getting coaching from me, join the webinar. If you're not, you just want to learn some stuff, join the webinar. Link in the description, guys. So one thing I want to talk about right now is the stock market. And the big thing about what's happening here in the stock market is that we continue, right? If you guys that are short, I had someone say to me recently, oh, John, I just made, I think like almost $40,000 on this day right here, $40,000. And it's just the start and it's going to go through the floor. I said, it's going to go to the moon. Well, I don't believe the moon action, right? But looking at the markets right now, we just continue up. So we don't want to be fighting this market. Just a bit of a pullback right now. And then I really do believe that this December, right, which is shaping up already to be quite nice, this December is getting ready for one incredible, this December and January is being ready for one incredible move. So we can see what's going on through there, guys. A very nice pullback. And as you can see, this is where it gets very, very hard for people, right? Because they always think these pullbacks here is the top of the market. The top's in, the top's in, the top's in, right? All this here is, guess what? All this is just a trend continuation. Market goes up, bit of a pullback. The trend is your friend until the end, right? Is the end of the trend here? But some people say, but John, you don't understand. The top's going to be in this time. Like they said back here, and like they said back here, and like they said back here, and like they said, the top's in, right? If your name is Harry Dent, well, you've been saying the top's in for the last 50 years. You know, I think he got it right twice, right? So the thing is, this guys, is that the top's in. Nah, I wouldn't say that. Don't fight it, right? Don't fight it. Big, nice, good reversal today on the S&P 500. Very down day, straight back up again. And same for the Nasdaq. Nasdaq almost up 2% as well too. Again, Nasdaq's still just very sort of in this sideways range through here, but I do expect to see, as I said before, I do expect to see an incredible December and also January in these markets to continue seeing just a very, very, very big move. So we're probably going to see a really nice move in the markets. Again, 17,000 is my target on the Nasdaq, and 5,000 up here is my target for the S&P 500 by the end of this year. Now, 5,000 is my minimum target. I've always had a 5,400. Now that 5,400, we need to make a very, very big move. We need to make an incredible move I just burped. In December, right? So a very big move to make my 4,000, 5,400. That's stretching it a bit, maybe. But I do see 5,000 conservative target happening by the end of this year. So it's going to be really interesting to see what happens moving forward into the markets for December and also January. Very, very, very exciting time to be long this market. So really not much going on through there, traders. So again, we just a bit of a pullback, really nice pullback. The Dow Jones as well too, bit of a strong pullback. But I wouldn't be too surprised if this was a bit of a fake out before we started to see this thing turn around here real soon, like a very nice turnaround, and we start to see the Dow Jones start to, make some quite nice moves to the upside. So really looking very, very, very strong here. And also gold as well too. Gold is continuing to be stuck in this triangle pattern. Is it going to go down? Is it going to go up? Again, guys, for my investors out there, even if this thing goes down, I see it going up. If it goes up, I see it going up. So very long term, guys, long term on gold, that It's going to be really interesting to see what happens here overall, whether we do start to see a very good, strong breakout out of this here, or we start to see a bit of a pullback. If we see a pullback out of this thing here, let's say the market does do something like this, right? Then I see a bit of a slingshot move coming in the market. So there we go, traders. It's a bit of a short update, but very nice reversal, as I've been saying in the markets. Very nice reversal today in the stock market. The trend is up. Don't fight it because you know what? The trend is your friend until the end.